morning, class. Today we will be factoring a trinomial and solving the equation. So, a trinomial is considered to have three terms. The first term is 3x squared, the second term is minus 7x, and the third term is a constant in the form of negative 6. So we want to multiply the first and third terms. Okay. So we want to multiply, and we will obtain negative 18x squared. So we need something that multiplies to equal negative 18 and adds to equal negative 7. Well, negative 9 times 2 is negative 18, and negative 9 plus 2 is equal to negative 7. So we know what our numbers are, and x squared factors to being x times x, and then negative 9 goes in front of the first one, and 2 goes in front of the second one. Then we bring down our first and third terms. So 3x squared minus 9x, and 2x is positive, so we put a plus sign there, plus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now we want to factor by grouping. So we want to split this in half here, and we're going to look for a greatest common factor on each side of the equation. So 3 and 9 on the left-hand side of the equation both have 3 in common. And then one has an x squared and the second one has an x, so they have at least an x in common. And then on the right-hand side, both terms are divisible by 2. So when we pull the 3x out, we have left x, and then negative 9 divided by 3 is minus 3, and x's cancel out. So it's 3x times x minus 3. Then we pull a 2 out, and then 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times x is x. And then negative 6 divided by 2 is minus 3. Now, this is our greatest common factor, our GCF. So, the greatest common factor we want to put on the left-hand side. So it's going to be x minus 3, and then on the right-hand side will be 3x plus 2. And then bring down the equal to 0. Now we have to set each factor equal to 0. So x minus 3 equal to 0, and 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So the first one, we want to add 3 to both sides, and we will have our first solution. So x is equal to 3. Then on the second one, we have 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So we want to subtract 2 from both sides. And 3x is going to equal negative 2. And then divide both sides by 3. So x is equal to negative 2 divided by 3. This is how we factor and solve trinomials. If you need math help, text 559-744-3169 for services. Please donate on the Cash App with the $ up front, MLBFan. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Again, please text 559-744-3169 for math tutoring services. Please donate on the Cash App with the $ up front, MLBFAN. Thank you so much, and let's learn math together.